Alright guys, 2020 Dodge Ram 1500. You want to change the emblem in the back? I'm going to show you how to do it. A very simple procedure. All you need is a whole bunch of tools, heat gun or a hair dryer. Heat gun is a lot of power, so take it easy. Pretty much this thing, you see these little things, they come off, they just little covers there, and it has 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You can either open the inside here. You got a whole bunch of screws on this back cover here, and push the little tabs out. But I didn't do that, guys. I'm gonna show you what I did. All right. What I did was right from this corner right here. Just be careful you don't damage anything. All right. That's the main thing. All right. What I did was I took a credit card. Let me see if I have it in my pocket. Well, then you're gonna see my card numbers, all right? Got a license here, right? Similar to a credit card. There's no number here, nothing for me to worry about. Stick it right here. All you do is first, you take your heat gun and blow a little bit of heat here. Stick it right there. And then at the same time, you'll be able to put a little screwdriver in there. Then I use this snap-on clip removing tools to reach in there, and I pop the clip. And once those two pop up, this thing opens out very far, right? This thing, usually it will break if you try to do it. But if it does, it's all right because you're going to replace it anyway. But they put so much of a double-sided tape there. I don't know. They probably didn't put that much tape in the whole entire truck. What they put in the back of this little emblem here, right? So once you have this come off a little easy, you're gonna be able to get the bottom 2 out. Very simple. All right, there I have it. I didn't even damage the Dodge itself. Just they came apart, you know, because the first thing you're gonna have is a grip on this. If you're able to grab both of them, they should both come off. But anyway, guys, all I did was I used heat. I used low settings on this. My plug came out here. All right, so what I did was I used a low setting and I kept it far like that, all right, very far, because this thing heats up a lot, all right? Be careful with your fingers. Even this little tape after that, you just heat it up a little bit and you peel it right off, all right? It should come right off, all right, guys? Very simple procedure, all right? And it's gonna probably take you 20 minutes. The main thing is, do not damage or scratch the body itself, all right? You damage the body, just screwed up the whole job. All right, guys, once it's finished, I'm gonna show you guys. When you put it on, all you do is smack it on, push it, and that's it. Very simple, guys. All right, these emblems you can buy it on Amazon, eBay. You're gonna get a whole set of them. This thing has a double-sided tape. You see that thing comes off. Same thing with this. All right, same procedure, right? And same thing if you want to do the Dodge sign here. This one should be simple because it comes right off. Right, and same thing probably with the front emblem here. All right, this is all just glued on, right? Just the back one is a little tougher. That's about it, guys. But there we have it, guys. Once I'm finished, I'm gonna show you the complete job, but I still gotta remove all this, and then I'll put it on, clean it up really good, and just smack it right on. All right, guys. All right, guys, let me just show you guys a little bit of the procedure here. So heat gun, very hot, keep it far, keep it on low setting. If I don't use a heat gun, you should be able to, it's cold, but this thing peels right out, right? Just give it a good amount of heat, all right? And if you heat it properly, I'm just worried about the paint, you know? This is my first time, guys. I've done it before in my car, which didn't even count, all right? Because I did a half of a job. You know how it is. Mechanic doesn't fix his own car, but he has time for everyone else's car. All right, so you can just grab it, heat it, just little by little. It's gonna take time, guys. It's nothing that you can do 1, 2, 3, all right? They should have put small little layer around it. This works like a seal as well, so the water doesn't go inside. But a little bit all around. Should have had done this job. This is just way too much. We probably don't even have to clean this, alright? It looks so good. There's no glue left behind, a little bit there. You can even just do that so it will roll right off. Alright guys, I'm almost there. We're getting there. Don't burn your hands, you know, I just took it too close to my hand. I could smell the hairs that it burned. Hair dryer, if you use a hair dryer, that'd be the best thing because that's not too much of a temperature. This thing is like cherry red inside. Hand's tired, my other hand is cold. So let me heat this one up a little bit. No, I meant to say this hand is cold because the other one was getting all the heat. It's a nice day, December 24th, Christmas Eve. Nice day to do this, right? And it's nice outside. I got my door open. It's not even that cold. Thing is so strong, you can see the metal body coming out with it. If you're taking your time, do it slowly. You should be able to get this whole thing off with the cover itself, the original emblem. Alright, little bit left there. You can just rub on it and it should come right off. There you go. I just wipe it down with something real quick. We'll smack the next new one on. So give me a moment and we'll be right back. Alright guys, use a wet rag with Windex. Wipe it down. If you have some kind of degreaser that can clean it off for you, that would be best. There we have it guys, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the new one and we're gonna put that on. But before that, since I put some water on this, the Windex, let me just give it a good. Alright, there you go. Alright, this little fella right here has these two little guys. Take those off and don't put it upside down. You might not be able to put it upside down because they're different sizes. But anyways, peel this guy off. Let me get my light coming back a little bit so we can see better. All right, so let's peel this guy off. All right, stick on, make sure it's straight. All right, and lining. Can't do this wrong, guys. You gotta be crazy to do it wrong. It's there ready for me. Done. Bada bing, bada boom, alright? Give it a good touch. Alright, push it all over, all around. And that's it, guys. You're done. And you're gonna do the same thing for the rest of the emblems on the car. If you wanna remove that 4x4, alright, that one does not have any clips, so just heat it, it should peel right off, right? Even this little guy right here. This little guy, I have another trick for this one. That one is different story. Same thing for this one. Same thing with this one. This might have clips on it, I'm not sure about it, but be careful, guys. Same thing with this one. Same thing with that little guy right there, right? So I'm giving you a walk around of this truck. So this is a tour of this truck as well, all right? So there we have it, guys. Thank you. Subscribe. And bye-bye. All right, guys, we did the front emblem here. This thing has 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks in there, all right? And what I did was I used a pick from right here, popped it open. And it has 2 little guys in the center, which you just pop it really hard. They're gonna go click, click. Same thing with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 in the center. And that's how they come off. All right. I removed the side emblems, but I haven't put them on yet because I need to clean it. All right. We'll do that down the road. But in the back, I did the back. Let me show you the back. All right, guys. The back is done. I did that. We did this same way, guys. I showed you this one. You just heat it up real good and it comes right off. Clean it up real nice. Put that on. And there we have it, all right? And I took off the one in the front, the Dodge emblem right here. Gotta clean it. We'll put that on. And these will be down the road probably. But other than that, that's it. It's all done.